In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy slides in PowerPoint in 5 minutes or less. Whether you're working on a school project, preparing a business presentation, or simply creating a slideshow for leisure, knowing how to efficiently copy slides can be a huge time saver. This task is as simple as it is useful, so let's jump in and get started. First things first, you need to open PowerPoint on your computer. This is where all the magic begins. Once PowerPoint is up and running, the next step is to navigate to the specific presentation where you'd like to copy slides. This could be a presentation you have previously created or one shared with you. Once you have the presentation open, take a look through your slides and decide which one you'd like to duplicate. Now let's get to the actual copying part. Click on the slide you want to copy. You'll know it's selected because it will be highlighted or bordered prominently. This part is crucial since only the slides you click on will be copied, so make sure you've got the right one. With your slide selected, it's time to execute the copy command. If you're on a Windows system, press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. This combination is a shortcut for copying any selected item, including slides in PowerPoint. For Mac users, the process is just as straightforward. You would press Command+C. This action essentially takes a snapshot of your selected slide and holds it in your clipboard, ready for the next part, which is pasting. The next step is to head over to where you'd like to paste your slide. This could be within the same presentation, at the end of your current slides, or perhaps in a totally different slideshow. If it's within the same presentation, simply select a blank slide, which can usually be easily inserted from the toolbar at the top, labeled New Slide or Insert depending on your version of PowerPoint. Finally, with your destination slide selected, press Ctrl+V. For those on a Mac, remember it's Command+5. This will paste the exact copy of your original slide right into your chosen spot. And there you have it, your slide is successfully duplicated. This method is straightforward and saves a lot of time, especially if you need to reuse slides with similar content or design without having to start from scratch every time. By mastering this simple keyboard shortcut method, you'll quickly become more efficient in your PowerPoint tasks. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.